Okay, bonjour. So today we're going to start our new chapter on les moyens de transport, so the means of transport. So this is a relatively easy chapter and you've probably done a lot of this vocab already. So le transport. D'accord. La voiture, l'auto is the car. La voiture. Okay, so that's the key one you need to learn there because it's not as obvious. So it's feminine, la voiture. L'auto is obviously short for automobile, so that's easy to recognize. But la voiture, make sure you're okay with that. So the car. L'autobus or le bus is the bus. It doesn't matter whether you shorten it down or whether you put the full term, it's grand. So l'autobus, le bus is the bus. Le car is the coach. So think a fancier kind of a bus, more comfortable, more luxurious. So le car is the coach. Le train is the train. Le ferry is the ferry. L'avion is the plane. Think of aviation as to do with planes and flying. So l'avion, the plane. Le vélo, the bike. Think of the velodrome. Is there one of them in Kanturk, I think? So le vélo, the bike. La moto is the motorbike. So la moto, the motorbike. La mobilette is the moped. La mobilette, the moped. Le bateau is the boat. Le camion is the lorry or the truck. Le camion, make sure you're okay with that word. La camionnette is the van. La camionnette. So le camion is the lorry or the truck. La camionnette is the van. Le camion citerne is the tanker, or I suppose really it's just one of those huge tanker lorries. I don't worry too much about it, but just in case it comes up in a comprehension, I suppose at least you'll recognise le camion is the lorry. Le poids lourd is the heavy goods vehicle, so think the Arctic, the really, really huge truck. Poids is weight and lourd is heavy, so heavy goods vehicle, so the Arctic. Le tramway is the tram. Le métro, the metro. Le TGV is the TGV, and that's one of the trains in France, but it's a high-speed train. It travels like a couple of 100 kilometers per hour, really, really fast, and goes to neighbouring countries. Le taxi, the taxi. Le VTT is short for le vélo tout-terrain, so mountain biking. Le scooter, the scooter. Le tracteur, the tractor. Et la remorque is the trailer. Now, I wouldn't be too concerned with that word, but at least I've given it to you anyway. Okay? Les transports en commun are the public transport. Think it's transport that we have in common. So what do we commonly use together? Public transport. So les transports en commun, public transport. So I'm just going to give a quick recap over them. So les moyens de transport, means of transport. La voiture, the car. L'autobus, le bus, the bus. Le car, the coach. Le train, the train. Le ferry, the ferry. L'avion, the plane. Le vélo, the bike. La moto, the motorbike. La mobilette, the moped. Le bateau, the boat. Le camion, the lorry or the truck. La camionnette, the van. Le camion citerne is the tanker. Le poids lourd is the heavy goods vehicle. Le tramway, the tram. Le métro, the metro. Le TGV is the TGV. Think high-speed train. Le taxi, the taxi. Le VTT, the mountain bike. Le scooter, the scooter. Le tracteur, the tractor. La remorque, the trailer. And les transports en commun, the public transport. Okay, so they're the main methods of transport. Perfect. Now, this next bit is easy. If you want to talk about how you get to school, and we've done a little bit of this already in one of our CBAs, I think, the piece that we recorded about ourselves. How do you get to school? I go by foot, I go by car, I go by bike, I go by bus, I go by train, I go by plane, etc. So, first of all, I go as je vais, present tense of aller. En vélo. Okay, so I go by bike. En vélo. Now, for most of the transport, you can put en in front of them or par. So, en, or par. Okay, so I'm just going to go with en here. So, je vais en vélo, I go by bike. Je vais en avion, I go by plane. Je vais en bateau, I go by boat. Je vais en autobus, I go by bus. Je vais en car, I go by coach. Je vais en train, I go by train. Je vais en voiture ou je vais en auto, I go by car. Now, for ferry, you have to say je vais par ferry. Okay, so don't even worry if you put en in front of it, it's not a massive mistake. Now, for motorbike, je vais à moto, I go by motorbike. Je vais à mobilette, I go by moped. Je vais à pied. Okay, le pied is the foot, and je vais à pied is I go by foot or I walk. Now, you've seen that before, I've showed that to you. Okay, so if it's an actual proper vehicle, with the 4 wheels in it, I suppose je vais en voiture, en autobus, en car, en avion. But if it's by foot or walking, je vais à pied. Okay, so I hope they're alright. Les routes is what I'll finish up with. Now, les routes are the roads. It's actually a singular word, feminine singular word originally, la route. Think going en route to your destination. So les routes, the roads. La route, the road. That should say les autoroutes, the motorways. Les routes départementales are the secondary roads. Okay, so the secondary roads. Les routes nationales are the national roads, the main roads. Le péage is the toll. It's really important that you know that word. It comes up a lot in exams. So le péage, the toll. La rue is the street. So la rue, the street. Le pont is the bridge. Okay, so le pont, the bridge. Le rond-point is the roundabout. Le carrefour is the crossroads. I think there's the 4 crosses. So le carrefour. Le trottoir is the footpath. Okay, the footpath or the pavement. Think you're trotting along the pavement. So le trottoir, the footpath or the pavement. Les feux de circulation are the traffic lights. So la circulation is traffic. Feu is a fire, and they're very, very bright lights. Okay, so les feux de circulation, the traffic lights. Okay, so I'll just recap over those, that road vocab. So les routes, the roads. La route, the road. Les autoroutes, the motorways. Les routes départementales, the secondary roads. Les routes nationales, the main roads. Le péage is the toll. La rue, the street. Le pont, the bridge. Le rond-point, the roundabout. Le carrefour, the crossroads. Le trottoir, the footpath. Les feux de circulation, the traffic lights. Okay, so I hope that's okay. Oops, we'll leave it at that.